The last modality that I would like to demonstrate is volumetric medical data, and I have two projects. One is labeled and the other one is unlabeled. Let's start with the labeled one so that you could see how labeled DICOM images in Supervisely looks like. And I will first go to classes to check what annotations to expect, and we have annotations we have brain class associated with bitmap shape and lung class also associated with bitmap shape, and we have no tags here. So let's just open this project, and here we see three DICOM files. So this one, so we see like three projections and 3D reconstruction, and I can navigate over projections and I will see the relative position in the reconstruction. I can move this around, navigate over various projections. I may actually disable these planes so that the reconstructed object is visible, is fully visible. Okay, let me just show you another example. So in this case we have the brain labeled, and again the same thing. We can navigate across different projections. We can actually label and modify the masks. And what I would like to do next is to take empty DICOM and just put several figures to show you how labeling process looks like. Okay, we have unlabeled DICOM project here. Let's select it and go to classes, and here we just have one class, brain, and we allow it to be any shape so that I could demonstrate several annotation tools. And let me again open this DICOM viewer, and probably I will work with this axial projection here. And so first I will navigate, say here, maybe I will make it full screen so that it's better visible. Pick a class and I will try my best to label the brain here. Okay, I do not try to be very precise. Okay, so something like that. Once I label it, I can, for example, press Ctrl+C, go to the next slice and paste it. And I can do it multiple times, like this. Okay, so maybe I can pick another instrument here. So maybe I can pick a brush and increase brush size a little bit, and then just use it to label the next slice. So again, I'm not trying to be very accurate here, just to illustrate the idea, and then I would like to fill in the space here, the empty space, and then I can proceed. So I can copy and go to the next slice and paste again, and maybe at some point I would like to correct the borders. So I will pick an eraser here and specify the size of the eraser, and maybe I will just correct several pixels here, like this. Okay, and what we have achieved, we just labeled several slides with several shapes, and we have just one object here which consists of seven figures. So some of them are polygons, some of them are masks, and this is an example of manual labeling. I will return to this DICOM example when we will speak about AI models, and I will show you way more interesting cases when we can rely on interpolation to build this reconstruction, to build 3D reconstruction of various objects.